Hello, Arlene Cohen Miller, Jewel Consultancy. And I'm just curious today, or in this moment, how much you appreciate the people that care about you, the people that stand by you, the people that listen to you in your life. How much do you appreciate them? Because oftentimes when we have some really wonderful stuff in our life, after a while, we can take it for granted. It's not all shiny and new anymore. We're used to having it around, and we can take those people, those groups for granted. How would it be if they were no longer in your life? You snapped your finger, they were gone. How would that feel? So it's really important to take stock of maybe some people, some groups that you have been taking for granted and let them know how much you appreciate having them in your life and be the kind of person that they appreciate having in their life. What as we give, so we receive, as we receive, so we give. We can get so busy, we can be so overwhelmed or frustrated or whatever we feel in the moment that we forget to be thankful and we forget to give back. So maybe ponder that today because most of the people that I work with, they are frustrated with some area of their life. But we have to start with ourselves. We can't change anybody else. And when we change something about like this about ourselves, where we really outwardly demonstrate and appreciate people that deserve our appreciation or groups that deserve our appreciation, things can really change fairly quickly. It's a loving thing to do. And I think you will enjoy yourself. Take good care.